Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today, we will do exercise which is given on page number 50 of your English 1 book. So, this exercise is from lesson number 1 of Unit 4 Action Words. So, students, you've already learned what is a verb, right? I have explained you about verb. Verbs are action words. Whatever action we do or a subject does is called verb. Alright. Now on page number 50, you can see there is an exercise. Verbs are action words. They tell us what the subject does. So what the subject, the doer of the action is subject. So what a subject is doing is called verb. You can see there are a few pictures of animals given on this page, and we have to write what these animals are doing. You can see the first picture is of a monkey, and the sound which is made by monkey is called chatter. So we'll write, so there's already done it, this one is already done for exam, as an example, a monkey chatters. The next picture is of a cuckoo sings, right? Another third one is of a crow. What does a crow do? A crow makes the sound which is called caw. So you'll write a crow caws, caws, caws. Okay, a crow caws. Next is a lion. What does a lion do, students? A lion's sound is called roar. So we'll write a lion roars, ROARS, roars. A lion roars. Next picture is of a horse. A horse neighs, NEIGHS, a horse neighs. Now students, you can see the next picture is of a dog. A dog, what does a dog do? A dog barks. You'll write a dog barks, BARKS, barks. Now the other picture is of a cat. A cat, what does a cat do? Meows, MEOWS. The sound of a cat is called meow. So you'll write a cat meows. Okay. Now the next one, a cow. What does a cow do? A cow moves, MOOS, moves. Okay. The sound of a cow is called moo. Okay. So the cow is mooing or moves, MOOS. Now the last picture is of a duck. A duck, what does a duck do? A duck quacks, QUACKS, quacks. So the sound of a duck is called quack. So there are the sound. These are the sound made by these animals. They are also action words or verbs. So these are the sounds of these animals which we have written in this exercise, and these words are also action words. Okay, right? Now exercise A on page number 51. Choose proper verb from the bracket to fill in the blank. So we have to choose the correct verb from the bracket which is given there, and we have to write it in the blank which is given. The first one is a postman dash letters. So what are we going to write here? Deliver or delivers. A postman deliver letter. We'll write deliver, DELIVER. Okay, a postman deliver letters. Now the second one, number 2, the cat is dash milk. What will we write here? Drink or drinking? We'll write the cat is drinking milk. Okay, DRINKING, drinking. The cat is drinking milk. Number 3, The moon dash at night. What does the moon do at night? The moon shines at night, right? So we will write shines, S-H-I-N-E-S, shines. Number 4, a tiger roars. A tiger roars, R-O-A-R-S, roars. Number 5, some people are shouting there. What will be right? Shouting. Some people are shouting there, S-H-O-U-T-I-N-G, shouting. Number 6, the children dash to watch cartoons. What we are going to write here? The children love to watch cartoons. We'll write love. L-O-V-E, love. Number 7. Miss Shivani teaches us English. Okay, so in number 7th blank, we will write teaches. T-E-A-C-H-E-S. Miss Shivani teaches us English. Miss Shivani teach us English. I'm sorry, we'll write Miss Shivani teach us English. T-E-A-C-H, teach us English. Number 8, the aeroplane arrived on time. We'll write arrived, A-R-R-I-V-E-D, arrived on time. Okay. Number 9, my mother cooks tasty dishes. My mother cooks tasty dishes. C-O-O-K-S, cooks tasty dishes. Number 10, have you finished the breakfast? What will be right? Have you finished the breakfast? F-I-N-I-S-H-E-D, finished. Have you finished the breakfast? So students, we have completed this exercise as well as we have completed this lesson number 1 of unit 4. Now from the next class we will begin lesson number 2 of unit 4, okay, which is forms of verbs. So I hope you've understood what is verb. All right, now you have to do the revision of the chapter. All right, take care. Bye bye.